Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Melon on Mondays, Melon on Mondays, sorry. And today I have a different video for you guys. I am playing Moomoo.io here. Alright, click around just so people can see because I always highlight it first. So let's enter our name, green for Melon, Melon Squad on top. And please join my Discord, I'll link it in the description. Melon. There we go. Melon on Monday. I can't do the S because it won't let me because things happen. So let's enter. Let's gather up some stone here. With that tiny little hammer. I think stone will be enough. Little. Up the edge of the map. Duh. Why is there so much stone? Ooh, this gives me fruit. Probably cactus fruit, kind of like from Ooga Booga. Okay, that is fruit. Where's a tree? Ah, sweet tree. That tree. There's some wood. Let's get 20 of each, just for now. Hopefully you can make it to age 2 soon. So, let's start with our base. I'm gonna go through the wall. Oh, holy crap. That takes up tons of wood. Wow, I'm gonna have to. I'm probably gonna get to age 2 before I even finish my base. I mean, maybe even age 5. Daggers, stick. Bro, no. Heal. Dude, chill. Dude, chill. Leave me alone. I wasn't doing anything to you. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. So let's gather up some more wood. For our base. Ooh, this is perfect. We can generate gold now. Imagine how much pain these trees feel after being cut, but they can never actually die. Stonewall, let's do cookie, because supposedly it doubles the health. Speaking of HP, let's regen. That's delicious. There, we're back at full HP, so... Ah! A wolf! A woofie. A woof. I'll name you Woof, but I need to kill you. Pit trap. Okay, that'll help us in PvP and other things. So let's get some food for PvP. Wait, did it just say LOL? Say hashtag LOL in the comments if it actually said LOL. That was pretty cool, to be honest. I mean, I'm not a huge fan of the word LOL, because it's just a prefix. Hopefully nobody can get through that. And this time, unlike my 15-minute Ooga Booga video, I'm actually gonna talk and not just chat with everybody else. So, okay, how about I'll break this, and then I'm going to place it 2 tracks. Never mind, I need a few things. Okay. Will I invite again? Okay. I forgot how to invite. Please tell me in the comments. I really wish I could invite this dude. He's awesome. I like him. And we both need stone, so let's just get some stone. Ooh, yes. That is a lot of stone required to get that. But luckily we have these daggers and we get it like, super fast. Really wish I knew how to invite. When I was back, I used to get like golden stuff immediately. Oh. I'm gonna get a hat. Let's get this. Because why not? Kinda fits. Oh, there we go. Yes, yes, yes. No, we're not entering any of this. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Frick, frick, oh, frick, oh, frick, oh, frick. There we go. Shield. McGrabby. Yeah, let's get McGrabby. We have pretty decent things here. We still have bushes outside. Okay. Let's expand. Wait! Get on my tribe. Dude. I'm not trying. What? No, you're not. What? No, you're not. smack. Oh. Boy, that wolf just came.
I'm about to call right along, guys. Get ready for that 10:15. Got to eat it? No. Take care of the dishes? No. You got to get kissed? Yes. What's ready, dude? Eat it, sit it. You ready to get kissed in it? I'm taking the phone here in about 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, I'm going to prepare a little more. And that you can get salad, you can more. Take care of that. Help me. You gotta help me. Oh, just put down the phone. You didn't have to. Bear.
Okay.
Incoming salad.
Sorry, I'm not talking very much, just like a video. But I'm gonna stop that here. I might do a different video. Like, subscribe, and share with your friends for more videos on this and others. Goodbye.